Hello everyone, welcome to Software Bank How to Use. Today's tutorial is Aiseesoft Data Recovery, January 6, 12. I will show you how to activate the license. Features of Aiseesoft Data Recovery. Simple data. Recovery for all situations. Powerful search function to quickly find lost data. Fast scanning speed and reliable data recovery. Recover data from any computer, hard drive, or flash drive. Technical details and system requirements. Supported OS Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, and RAM memory must be 2 GB RAM, 4 GB recommended. Free hard disk, space 300 MB or more.